Yo, so check it out. When I initially planned to do the video that I'm about to show you, I meant to do it kind of quick, but it actually went a little bit long, so you'll see these in the video. But instead of doing one 20+ minute video, I'm gonna chop it up into 3 so that you all don't have to sit through such a long video. All right, let's get into it.
On some other shit, it's kinda bittersweet that I fell in love with it. I always felt that if I always cared about how I dress, that folks would think I'm arrogant and chicks would lose interest. But as it turns out, people start to notice you more. You turn heads when you step a foot in them sneaker stores. Like, where you get them, can I get them? What's the biggest size left? And chicks that never would've.
What's up, everybody? It's Big Roth TV, and I'm back with another sneaker video. All right, now I know it's been a while since I dropped a video, so on this one I just wanted to play catch up a little bit and show a few of the sneakers that I've copped in the meantime since the last video. All right, I didn't want to do 3 separate videos because I kind of forgot that I copped the top one here, but I did want to bring them to you, show you all the latest pickups. All right, so starting off with left shoe first, baby. All right, starting off with the Gorge Green Jordan 1s. All right, these are very nice, very high quality. All right, easy to get, very easy to get. I know these, are still sitting in a lot of places. They come with the green laces. There's also, I believe, the white laces that come with them as well. I got rid of the box already on these, and I put them up in the containers. So, yeah, Gorge Green. You got the green on the bottom. But yeah, not too hyped. You could even still find these on sneakers and at your local shoe stores. But I like them, so I went ahead and copped. And that's what it's all about. That's the name of the game. Cop and rock what you like. All right. You see the white tongue with the green Nike Air there. All right. And the silver metallic going around. All right. And then the bubble type of the Wings logo there. All right. So if you've seen the blue version of these, and then there's a burgundy pair similar. These are just the green version of those exact same shoes, but very dope. All right, this was the first of the pickups that I've gotten recently. All right, let me see. I think I have the laces in here and the right one. Yep. So you can see they come in the box now. This nice box instead of the plastic. So white laces there. It says move to 0 on the back, but white laces in the box. They're in the right shoe. All right. So we'll get these out of here.